Two for my two daughters. I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. I'm okay, man. All safe and sound, guys. A few more seconds, guys. Beautiful. Guys, you're here in the kitchen cooking. We keep it real. Oh, I told you.
Mumbo. Like the guy fuck it up.
Alright, guys. So this there.
Nah, like the guy fuck it up.
Okay. You gotta be extremely careful, guys. But you know, I'm in the kitchen a lot, so I know how to angle this stuff, okay? You in the kitchen, make sure so we're gonna let the oil get hot, and then we're gonna drop the plantain in, and then we're gonna put the egg in. So stay tuned. Ooh. Guys, you know why the pot is, you know why the pot is popping, guys? You know why? Because I did not let the pot dry out the water properly when I washed the pot. So always remember to dry your pot out properly so you don't have that popping, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and woo! You see? I'm telling you, you gotta be clean. Alright, so we're gonna put